This is the most hated game out right now, for whatever reason. But I got one, and we about to unbox it right now. Let's go. Today we rolling in the Chibi Kid Boo t-shirt from Mankey Boy. Link in the description. So I got another unboxing today, and I'm out in the field doing it. So because of that, I don't have no fancy unboxing knives or nothing like that. And today we just gonna go with a single edge razor. Should be good enough to get the job done. So let's get started. Another game company and shipped my game late, and it caused me to do my unboxings late. So I'm just letting y'all know, listen, I can't work with y'all when y'all do ass backwards stuff like this. So get my games in on time, bro. If it came out on the 20th, I need it at my house on the 20th. Or like my partner said, if it's a collector's edition, a benefit should at least be a couple days early, especially if it's a collector's edition. That should be a perk. And then probably worst things about doing an unboxing in the field is you got people watching you. So let's flip this over. I mean, they literally standing right over in the corner watching me take whatever I'm taking out my box. But it's all good though, because you know what? That's what happens when you vlog in public. Let's put this out the way. Put that right there. So, Assassin's Creed Shadows for PS5. And this heifer even taking pictures of me right now, which is weird as fuck. Hold up, this heifer was really out here snapping me, bro, like I'm some type of wildlife animal or something. So, Assassin's Creed Shadows, PS5. This is the back right here. So, this obviously everything that comes in the PS5 edition or the collector's edition, but you know, mine just happened to be for PS5. So, let's just get started with the unboxing, bro. Single edge razor. You can't never go wrong with that. It's the sides. Let's get the sides open. Let's double check this time, because the last time I had issues and they had tape on the bottom, and they do. So one for there, and then one here. All right, PS5 Assassin's Creed Shadows. Matter of fact, I think this might be, yeah, that's a little cover for the box. Let's do it like this. They make these things harder and harder to fucking take out every time. So, you gotta watch your background here. You never know what might come up out the water. All right, so when you open the box up, y'all probably seen this buku times already, but it don't really matter because you ain't never seen me do mine for this one. So suck it up. So we got the game right here, Assassin's Creed Shadows. And it's a physical game, I could tell, because it's wrapped in plastic already. But Assassin's Creed Shadows, PS5, all the extra stuff on there, whatever. Then you have the steel book with Naoe on the front, and then Yasuke on the back. It's got two slots for CD or for the games, but it's only one game, so I don't know what the two slots for. Then on the top, you got an art book. On the art book is, let me see how many pages for the art book. I don't really say how many pages on the actual art book, which is fine. I mean, you don't really need to know how many pages in the art book. But another thing too, I got like a collector's edition strategy guide coming, and it was supposed to come out on the date of the game, the date of release of the game, but for some reason they pushed the date for shipping back to April something, which is dumb as fuck because the game already out for like a month by the time I get the collector's edition strategy guide. So you have a map right here of feudal Japan, and it looked like something I can get framed again, or another thing I can get framed. If you watch my last kind of like, or my apartment tour, you can see I have a map of the Assassin's Creed 3 map hanging on my wall because a friend of mine ended up framing it for me, so that's good. And this one is probably one that I could frame too, but this is it. You definitely ain't gonna be able to see it with this wind blowing, but this is a front and back. Assassin's Creed Shadows. You got this big envelope right here. This big envelope with some stuff in it. Oh, there's some artwork. You got Naoe, Yasuke. I don't know about framing that. Might just keep that. You know, it might be worth something one day. You never really know. You never really know, bro. And then this is the, I don't forget what they call it, but it's for your sword. It's for Naoe's katana or her sword or whatnot. I've seen some unboxings before, but they never really take this out. I feel like they think it's part of the packaging. Then we have a Assassin's Creed scroll. Right here, it's like this wind might almost be perfect for it because it's blowing in the wind like a flag. You know how when they be on their horses flying their flag like that. So in the future, I'm gonna tell y'all, it's a bad idea to do unboxings outside in an uncontrolled environment because this wind. So this is gonna be my first and only time doing the unboxing outside in the open like this. I only open my toys for the video and then put them back up. Never see the light of day again. So let's put this stuff back up, repackage it, and then we'll do a full scale like video for everything that's in the box. So I'm inside, and I gotta say this: I do not recommend doing unboxings outside for the sheer fact that it's distracting. You got buku people outside apparently taking pictures of you while you're doing your unboxings. There was a big ass iguana that was walking across the damn field, and it just wasn't conducive to my health, and it was distracting for the overall unboxing experience. But here you go. This is everything that is unboxed already. So you got your statue right here. You got Yasuke. You got Naoe. Let's see if I can get her. This the little sword thing. I probably should know what that is, but I don't. And it's for content, so you tell me what it is in the comments. That's the steel book right here. Then you got your scroll, Assassin's Creed scroll. I don't really know what I'm gonna do with that, to be honest with you. I don't think I can frame it, but maybe, I don't know. You might have some geniuses out there who might be able to frame it. So that, the map right here, and of course the game itself, and then the artwork, and then the art book. So that's it. That's it for the unboxing for Assassin's Creed Shadows. Let me know what you think. Leave a like on the video, share with your friends for a second opinion. If you didn't like the video, hit the thumbs down button twice. I'm out.